Next article of this unit is while structure or while loop. In most of Fortran compilers, this type of structure, this type of loop is not used. In Fortran 77, while structure or while loop is used. The general format of while structure or while loop in Fortran 77 is general format, syntax, general format or syntax for while structure or while loop. While condition, do S1, S2, S3 dash dash Sk and while. This condition is logical condition. Whenever this logical condition is true, this sequence of statements is to be executed. The same thing will be executed repeatedly till the condition is true. If the condition is false, if the condition is not true, then the control leaves the while loop and goes to the statement after end while. This is the structure of while loop, or you may call this simply as while structure. Such structures are very rarely used in Fortran. As I told, many compilers of Fortran does not support many compilers of Fortran do not support this structure or while loop. This while loop can be replaced by if then statement. Let us see how this while loop can be replaced by if then statement. This structure is exactly similar to this structure. Let us see how. What we are doing, the while condition do is replaced by if dot not condition, then go to N2. See what is the meaning of this. If this condition is true, what is not of true? False. If this condition is true, true means in binary it is 1, and what is not 1? Not 1 is 0. What is 0? It is false. So meaning of this is false. Then go to N2, leave the loop. If this condition is false, not false is true. Follow this sequence of statements, and repetition of execution of this sequence of statements will be continued. Go to N1 till this condition is false. False, not false is true. Whenever this condition is false, not false is true, and whenever not false is true, the same sequence of statements will be executed repeatedly. Go to N1. If this condition is true, not true is false, then go to N2. Go to this statement below, go to N1 statement. So this is how the while structure can be replaced with the help of if then statement. This type of structure, this type of loop is known as while loop or while structure. Let me write a simple program for this so that this article will be completed. Let us suppose that we have this series. We want to find this series, but one condition is there. The value of x should be between 0 and 1, and when we are finding these terms, x to the power I should always be greater than or equal to 0.00005. Let us keep these conditions in mind and use the while structure or while loop to get some of this series. Let me try a simple program for this. Comment sum of a series then Let us see whether this program works. We want to take some of this series, but one condition: this is what x to the power I for every term. X to the power I for every term should be greater than equal to 0.0005. If not, then we have to stop the summation. Okay, right. X should have value between 0 and 1. So, x is in fraction. Read asterisk comma 2 x. Format is 2. X is asterisk is the default input device. What is format? F8.3, right? Then let us define sum is equal to 1, variable I is equal to 1, while x to the power I greater than equal to 0.00005, do the sum. Sum is equal to sum, this sum is old sum, so this is new sum. Sum is equal to sum plus x to the power I. Okay, I is equal to I plus 1. This one is taken here, this one is taken here, used up here. Then we have to go for 2, I is equal to 2, that is I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1, and after that it will go back to this. Yes, it will come to end while will send this value back here, it will come here. Okay, the same thing will be repeated. So, this while loop structure or while structure will be continued till this condition is true. When this condition is false, the control leaves to the statement below and while. What is that? Here write asterisk comma 4 sum, the final sum. Format 4. One column is skipped and sum is to be printed with this F10.3, F10.5 fractional real format. Stop and this is one simple program for the while structure or while loop. Hope you got this program. It is very simple. You try writing such small programs whenever I am talking about various statements of Fortran. Make practice of writing small programs with correct syntax. Hope you got it. For the next article, we shall meet tomorrow. Thank you.